Let's learn about finding the opposite numbers on a number line. What is the opposite of negative 12? What is the opposite of 7? Let's start with negative 12. Negative 12 on the number line is right here, negative 12. Its opposite is going to be the equidistance from negative 12 to 0, as 0 is in the other direction, in this case positive. So negative 12 to 0 is 12 spaces, and so 0 to 12, that's another 12. And so right here would be the opposite of negative 12, which is 12. Now what about 7? 7 on the number line is right here, and its opposite, well, it's 7 units from 0, so 0 is 7 units, right here at negative 7. So the opposite of 7 is negative 7. I hope you learned something here about finding opposite numbers on a number line, and as always, thanks for watching.